I'm Chris Haynes. I'm your instructor for Bio 202 this semester. Throughout this class, you'll be watching some recorded lectures for my class here in Fort Morgan. And I want you to know I'm here available to help you even though I'm not in your class in person. So I do have 10 hours office hours a week, and you can feel free to call me, talk on the phone. You can also set up a WebEx appointment so we can interact face-to-face. And my phone number is 970-542-3211 here at the school. So within the class, there's a lot of interactive stuff that you'll still be expected to do. The first thing is different clicker questions. These are basically multiple choice questions to start discussions, check for understanding at certain times. And the way they're designed is you'll vote first on your own without talking to anybody, and then talk it over with your group, you know, why you think it's this answer, why you think it's that answer, just help you think about it a little more, hopefully cement it in your memory, and then we'll vote a second time. So that's the first thing. So it's very important that you're actually participating for those and not just waiting for the right answer. Also, there's a lot of group activities, and usually with those, they'll give you some time on your own to try to answer the question, think about it a little bit, and then work together as a group to answer the question, or depending on what the topic is, it might be modeling something with Play-Doh or drawing things on big pieces of paper. And especially because I am not there in person, it's really going to take some effort on your part to actually participate and do these things. It's really important for your learning. If you're just sitting there and not doing anything, you're not going to learn very much. One thing you need to be very familiar with is D2L. Most people have heard of it. You've probably been to it. Everything will be on there, including all your study guides you'll need, lab practical study guides, pre-lab quizzes, PowerPoints you can print off to bring to class and take notes on. And in terms of class setup, you do have a reading quiz at the beginning of every class. This will be based on the bold items on your study guide for the topic covered that day. So you need to be prepared for those. And the best way to be prepared for that is to make note cards for each of those bold items and quiz yourself on them. And quizzing yourself means knowing the answer without looking at the answer. If you can't do that, you don't really know it. The same thing for studying for your exams. You'll have your whole study guide, and if you make note cards for each item, or just print out blank study guides and quiz yourself on those, that's the most helpful thing to do well. And when you're answering those items to study from, it's important that you simplify it for yourself, put it in your own words. If you're just copying, 3 sentences from the book for definition, you're not really thinking about it. You're actually making it harder on yourself in the long run. So take some time, simplify everything, and feel free to email me if you're not sure how to simplify something or want to know if you're on the right track or not. Also, you can, talk with your classmates about things. It's really a good, helpful way to learn. So in general, just kind of to conclude, I'm here to help you with whatever. You can email me, you can call me, and I'd be happy to help you succeed as much as I can.